Hello, and you have a solve a Leetcode question 167 sum 2. With this question, you have a list of arrays, and you say find two numbers, right? Find the two numbers or are there given a one indexed array, right, of integers that is already sorted. So this is key, already sorted. Find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. Let these two numbers be index 1 and index 2, where the indexes are between the range of the length. And return the indexes of the two numbers, index 1 and index 2, added by 1. And so this is also something key to note as an integer array. The test is generated in such a way that there's only exactly one solution. There's only one solution, right? For every question be answer near back open a what sa array name, right? Alpha we are 2 plus 7 will be the only answer in there. You will not get more than one answer. Alpha we so 2 plus 4 in about 6, right? 2 and 4 about 6. Yeah, into ways to right? Into basically array back on first array near the amount no ASA 2 7 11 15. Since this array has been sorted, a two-pointer array, two-pointer solutions will be very good to solve this problem. And always, like I will always remind you guys, right, with arrays, when you are moving from left, a sorted array, when you are moving from left to right, now it's always positive. And when you are moving from right to left, now it's decreasing, right? It's just something that you should always know. And then also know, say, the first number is always less than the last number. And wokɔ anim biara na numbers never strong kakra until for two-way na your best two-pointer array no two-pointer approach is such that you better first left, right? You better left plus right. So left and a right. Left here 2, right here 15. That is equal to 17. Into you say 17 no target na no target near target you are looking for in this particular way, and your target is 9, right? This one is a chain 9 cra, but also array you say bar from left to right na array near bar form. In this case, no, since 17 no extra chain 9 no you be shift to right no amana ba chain kakra. You shift to right no ma eba form back one into right no eba form back right no eba form back na 11. Left no will still continue to be 2. In this case, solution na ba 13. 13 is still a chain way. Into you say eba form kakra. Into 2 still a left no be 2 honoma na aba 7, right? Now right number form back on our 7. Now my answer no, and then when you right? So similar approach for 2 we say so 2 3 4 targets 6 left right left right sum left here 2 right here 4 here 6, which is equal to target into solution number and so you can apply it. You can create your own scenarios, different types of scenario, and apply it to this solution. Now, we say about the same thing. Let's go to the solution. Let's go to the code and see how it will be like. And anyway, also I'm going to say so I'm going to say what I wanted to add something else, but Merafi. Yes. Also, the question is also returning the indexes, right? So for this particular one, the index is 0. And for this particular one, the index is 0, 1, A2. But question is state here. Say added by 1. And we say index near 0 and 2, no, 1 and 3. Remember, we are not returning the numbers themselves. We are not returning the numbers themselves. No, you are returning the indexes of those numbers. And in arrays, no, indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3. But also, question is added by 1. It also says a 1 indexed array, right? And you know, this is some of the key things you have to consider when you are solving this problem. So let's go to the solution and see how we can solve it. So let's say left is equal to 0, right is equal to length of nums minus 1. Numbers, not nums. And remember, we are iterating over indexes. That's why we are decreasing the length of the number by 1. Okay. While left is less than right, sum is equal to numbers left plus numbers right. Right? If sum is equal to target, return an array of left plus 1 and right plus 1. Right? Else if sum is greater than target, you better shift it right now. Say embra from kakra. So right minus 1 back one. Else you better increase the left by 1. Left by nim kakra because it's for China. It's for China. You per se. It's for China. You per se a banning. It's for China. You buy a nim kakra. So there be a number no some no be called a nim kakra. That is why we are doing that. So let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. So this is how you solve 2 sum 2 question. Thank you. Bye-bye.